Namaste, my name is Asha. With the presence of goddess Parvati and my guru is Savita, we wish to sing in Raga Punagavalli set to Aditala. Abhayam, Abhayam, Amma, Engal Abhayam, Kapayamma. Abhayam, Abhayam, Amma, Engal Abhayam, Kapayamma. Meenambike Amma, Mookambike Amma, Meenambike Amma, Mookambike Amma, Hemambike Amma, Jnanambike Amma, Hemambike Amma, Jnanambike Amma, Durgambike Amma, Vijayambike Amma, Durgambike Amma, Vijayambike Amma, Abhayam, Abhayam Amma, Engal Abhayam Kapayamma. Abhayam, Abhayam Amma, Engal Abhayam Kapayamma. Brahmarambike Amma, Lalitambike Amma, Brahmarambike Amma, Lalitambike Amma, Rajarajeshwari Amma, Chamundeshwari Amma, Rajarajeshwari Amma, Chamundeshwari Amma, Panashankari Amma, Akhilandeshwari Amma, Panashankari Amma, Akhilandeshwari Amma. Abhayam, Abhayam Amma, Engal Abhayam Kapayamma. Abhayam, Abhayam Amma, Engal Abhayam Kapayamma. Engal Abhayam Kapayamma, Engal Abhayam Kapayamma. Thank you, Namaste.
Good job, Asha. Tell everyone how old you are.
I'm 5 and I'm kindergarten.